In this video on the QD3000, we're going to learn how to connect the QuickDraw iPad app to the QuickDraw controller. So to start with, you need to visit the App Store and download the QD3000 app. When you do this, make sure that you're downloading the one that says 3000. There is a previous generation QuickDraw app out there, but you want to be ensured that you get the one downloaded that says 3000. Once you have the app downloaded, the next step is going to be to go to your settings page on your iPad. Make sure that your QuickDraw is in fact powered on and that you are in range. In the available networks list, you will see QuickDraw appear. And so we will select QuickDraw and it's going to pop up the password screen. And so we need to find the password on the QuickDraw. So we would go to settings. And then we would go to remote settings. And then we need to go into our Wi-Fi settings. And on this page, the default is going to be to create QuickDraw Wi-Fi. That's what we want it to do. We want the QuickDraw controller to create a Wi-Fi network. In the box in the middle is where we're going to find the network name and the password. You could change these if you would like. Today we're just going to utilize the standard. So I already selected the QuickDraw network over here, and now I need to enter the password. So I would enter the default password and then press join. It will go through the process of connecting. Once we see that we have the blue check mark, that means that my iPad has connected to the Wi-Fi network. That is step number one. The next step then is going to be to open the QuickDraw 3000 iPad app. And the second step of the process is ensuring that now the app is talking to our controller. And so we will transition to our settings page and then to our remote settings button. Back on our QuickDraw controller, we need to transition back to our remote settings page. And now we need to make sure that our remote login information matches. And so we see that we have a username and password. Those are both the default. And under our QuickDraw ID, that needs to match as well. So over here on my iPad, I'm just going to delete the one that I had in there and set it to be the same as my QuickDraw controller. Once I've done that, I push done. Now those are both the same, and if I tap the red X at the top of the page, it will initiate communication. Once the bars turn green, that is my indicator that my QuickDraw iPad app is communicating with my QuickDraw controller. So now I can go back to my menu screen or to my run screen. And if I transition to my run screen here, we'll see that both of them are displaying the same information because they are in fact communicating with one another.